Hello everyone. According to the students' review, the physics paper was not up to the mark. That means the physics paper was very tricky as well as difficult. According to the students' review, the chemistry paper was very easy. My dear most students, did you get any kind of common between the two subjects? The common number one was, whatever I have said in case of physics, as you know very well, they are having 40 marks, out of which 39 marks was there in the physics paper. I repeat, my dear most student, to you once again, that 39 marks there. Each and every question was, my question was there in the board examination, excluding one, which one is the fulcrum one. And the student, those who have seen my video, my strategy, my important question, each and every, they have done outstanding grade. If yes, do comment right there, my beloved students. And did you know why you have done a lots of good in case of chemistry? Because I always say, I said in my physics video, complete all the exercise questions. From the exercise questions, the question was there, cut, copy, paste. Similarly, in the chemistry exam also, all the question was there from the in-text and exercise question. Did you know what? That 31 number of marks was there from exercise as well as in-text questions. 6 number of marks was there from the box wala questions, and 3 marks was there a little bit tricky, and it was a little bit difficult type of questions. And the most important, that in my physics video, chemistry video, I said that the student who will complete all the exercise question, all the in-test question, with no doubt he or she will keep 40 out of 40. I did not prepare the question paper, but you know what? Every year you can ask your senior brother and sister, those who come top in the classes, they almost complete all the in-test question, exercise question, and they do well, not only well, but also they come top, not only top, but also they come 95%. They secure 95%. Now the moral of the story, you might be thinking, sir, how the bio paper will be? The bio prediction will be, it will be easy to them, those who have completed, those who have accomplished all the exercise question from Conscience Selina or Goyal publication books, or else from, together with, or from other books. And the question will be very difficult for them, those who are going on reading randomly, bit by bit, one by one, in the biology, from the biology book, any book. And if you want to secure 40 out of 40, again I am saying a very good number of marks, I mean more than 35 plus, first you need to complete the exercise questions. And as I said in my last video, in my physics video, the important questions, now I am gonna say the structure question. Probably I think, I have not said the question paper. But I personally predict and I personally think that you people will be getting one structure question from human chromosomes, as well as as well as from photosynthesis. I personally believe, hope this type of question comes. Do you know why? How did I go to know? You might be thinking, because you are having 2 units, right? Unit 1, unit 2, basic biology, plant physiology, in which basic biology only human chromosome cells division is there. And I personally believe one structure question will be cut, copy, paste from the cell division, that is human chromosomes. Another question will be there from plant physiology, which I personally think that is a photosynthesis or absorption of food, I can say, no transpiration. That doesn't mean you people will be, oh sir, that you read everything, but I personally feel that the question will be from human chromosomes, structure question I am going to talk about, and it will be from photosynthesis. And my dear most children, one direct question I am going to say that from the photosynthesis, one chemical equation is there, balanced chemical equation, standard 6, from standard 6 you are learning till yet, do memorize this, because one direct question you will be getting. And these are the structure question I said. And my dear most children, if you are following Conscience, if you are following Goel Brothers Publications book, if you are following Together With, they are having many kind of MCQs. They are having many kinds of MCQs, do those. They are having many kinds of name the following, do those. They are having many kinds of fill in the blanks, do those. They are having many kinds of true or false, complete all those. They are having many kinds of fill in the blanks, these also. These are many scientific names. Match the following, give one functions. And my dear most children, in case of structure question, अगर एक बच्चा structure question अच्छे से कर लेता है, तो I think उसका book complete हो जाता है, right? And the most important PYQs, I always think, and don't worry about PYQs, because whatever you are learning, everything is a PYQs. And the most important, you can ask your brothers and sisters, how everyone can keep 80 out of 80 in the board examination. Can you imagine? How people are keeping 80 out of 80? You say me. They are genius. They apply the smart work. They apply the smart logically, which everything comes from ICSE book questions. The difference between CBSE and ICSE is, being a CBSE teacher, the difference between CBSE and ICSE is, ICSE question comes direct cut copy paste, CBSE question doesn't come cut copy paste. That is the major difference. This is the major difference. For moral of the story, if you want to crack the tomorrow's exam, the first foremost priority should be to complete all the exercise question, including the structure question, human chromosome the most, and the most important, photosynthesis structure questions. I personally feel, that doesn't mean you people will be reading this one, nothing more. I personally feel from this type question will be coming, direct cut copy paste question, and complete all the exercise question of all the chapters. And genetics से पूछा जाएगा 1 मार्क का सवाल बहुत ज्यादा, right? And transpiration also means what? If from photosynthesis structure question will be there, that means there is having a very less suppose for an example photosynthesis structure question is there is having a least of probability to come from 1 marker question. अगर इसमें से 5 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा, ट्रांसपिरेशन में 1 मार्क का ज्यादा पूछा जा सकता है. In this way the question will be coming, and please complete the exercise question and remember, and after that summary, try to remember summary points to remember, or you can say this in the other name, points to remember, or you can say in the other name, you know what more, summary, recapitulation. In this way you complete this all, and definitely how your chemistry paper went, in the same way physics paper will be. If another one more statement I'm gonna say, if you are following Goel Brothers, please little bit focus on Conscience Selena also. If you are following Conscience Selena, well and better. अगर कोई Goel Brothers, right, Goel publication books together with other books are following, little bit Conscience you have to focus on. Little bit Conscience. That doesn't mean I will be saying go and sir said you will be going somewhere else. No. After completing everything from the book, if you have a time, it will go on the Conscience, and definitely it will be helping you out. So thank you very much. Signing off for the today. Coming again with another session for the semester 2. Till then, keep cheering yourself and keep loving.